Did you know that a crew member can still see and feel everything while something grows inside their body? Dr. Thorne found the first paralyzed crew member in the cargo bay, eyes wide open and blinking frantically. The victim couldn't speak, couldn't move, but was completely aware as Thorne examined his swollen abdomen. Something was moving underneath the skin, pushing against the ribs from within. Low groaning escaped the crew member's throat, mixed with a horrible scratching sound coming from inside his chest. Thorne realized the truth. The chitters had injected paralytic venom, keeping victims conscious during the entire process. The scratching grew louder, more violent. The man's eyes pleaded desperately as his chest began to bulge outward. Then it happened. Sharp claws tore through flesh and bone as a baby chitter burst from his ribcage. Blood sprayed across the walls while the victim's eyes remained open, still blinking, still aware. He watched his own chest cavity become a nursery for the creature that killed him. The birth cycle was complete.